Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to download reviews from Amazon.com, Amazon.uk, or any Amazon marketplace while using the Amazon review downloader. So go to any Amazon product page. I have one up right here for some sand socks. Right? There's some ratings, there's some reviews. And so let's say I wanted to download, I don't know, any reviews that I wanted. So I come up here, I click the extension icon, right? So it's free for the first 5 uses. And then after that, you're going to have to upgrade, but 5 uses for free. So let's check the date range. Maybe I want all time, and maybe I want to know, everywhere that I got, or this product, got a 1 to 3 stars and analyze those reviews. But I could filter for any amount of stars. I can filter for any time period, even custom. So let's start. So depending on the amount of reviews you want to export, it could take longer or shorter, right? If you're exporting thousands of reviews, just be patient, right? It's a lot of data. Are done, right? And so it'll download as a CSV file, and you can download it to your hard drive. So I'm just gonna click save. So there it is right there. And now also suppose I don't have Microsoft Excel. So I would open that with Excel. But I'm going to go into Google Sheets. I'm going to drag the download here in Google Sheets. And here it is. And now you can see, right, what we get. We get the reviewer's unique ID number. You even get the foreign IDs as well. The name of the review, right? And these are not great reviews, right? Because I filtered for 1 through 3 stars. The name of the reviewer, the reviewer's profile, what the amount of stars they gave, the date that they gave it, the actual text of the review, right? This is the description, whether it was a verified review or not, so whether they actually were a product purchaser or not, whether they were a Vine reviewer. If we scroll over a little more, we can see there's also any images related to the reviews will also be here as well. So again, this little nifty little extension here, this guy, so you can download any reviews from any product page on Amazon, amazon.com.uk, any marketplace. It'll download it as a CSV, and then you can even open it with Google Sheets, so you don't even need Excel. Any questions about anything, just pop them in the comments. I'll make sure to answer anything you got.